Hello mga ka-sunshine! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel!
All that means
Hmm?
it's gonna be muddy.
Oh,
All the water.
today is Friday the 13th. Stay safe! So for today's video, we're going to visit Grandma Lo and to visit Grandpa at cemetery. But first, we're going to buy Whoppers at Burger King.
Let's see.
Ang ganda ng weather. Ito yung weather na gusto ko rin yung after snow. Tapos, ayan, nakakamiss yung ganitong weather sa Pilipinas, yung mainit. Pero yung saktong init lang ha. Napaisip Grandpa.
This is Oakland Cemetery.
It's Oakland
Yep,
Cemetery.
Everything is slowly now. Yeah, slowly melting away.
So we're here to visit Grandpa. So bumili kami ng Burger King Whopper. That's Grandpa favorite burger Whopper. Oh. So ito yung itsura ng mga lapida nila.
Ooh.
That's Grandpa. What's Grandpa's name again? Lo Yang. It's Lo Yang. Hmm. Hi, Grandpa. So, ito yung itsura ng sementeryo dito. Nakikita nyo yung lapida nila, ganyan ang itsura. Yes. That's Grandpa. At yan. Yan. Then, pupunta kami kay Grandma Lo to take the burger. Gonna eat. Yes, today is Grandma cheat day. Kakain kami ng burger. Together. So, cheat day niya today. So, yeah. Parang mostly kasi dito mga Hmong, yung mga nakalibing. Mostly. Yun. Ganyan yung lapida nila. Ayun, sobrang dami yan hanggang doon sa dulo. Ayan. Ayan. May kinukwento ata siya. So, dito na tayo. Ayan, may snow pa rin pero hindi na ganon kalamig. Patunaw na. Patunaw na ito. Ayan, ang weather. Yeah. Are we going now? Okay, Grandpa. I'll visit you next time again. Yeah, enjoy your burger. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, ayan no. Tunaw na. May tubig na. Yeah. Ah. Yes. Ayan. Ang itsura. Okay. See you.
50% Hmong now here. Because it's like for every non-Hmong name I see like 3 to 4 Hmong names.
So we're here at Grandma's house. So remember, that's the garden. It's still full of snow, but soon, it's gardening soon. Okay, okay. Oh, sorry. Grandma, we have your food. Gonna eat your burger.
Oh, thank you.
We've been to Grandpa. To cemetery.
Oh,
Yeah, we
Oh, next
Yeah,
time, yeah.
yeah.
Next time,
Yeah. I want to see the plants. Oh, that's the grandma's plant, the garden. And soon you're gonna...
Got a basement.
Yes, basement. And soon you're gonna planting outside.
Yeah,
Yes.
outside.
Season. Ooh. Ooh, what is that flower, Grandma? Orchid.
The finest luxury fragrances are. And today is his birthday. Friday the 13th. Films.
People across nuclear time.
When guests arrive, they often ask first, should we stay one day or two? Is there anything for us to do here?
No, shita.
This is a very common Lao meal. Very simple. Freshwater fish. Yes. Bamboo shoot.
So, every after work ni husband talaga kami dumadalaw kay Grandma Lo. Si Grandma Lo, siya yung napaka-sweet and caring na lola. Kaya napakalaki ng husband ko. At sa mga may lola pa, napakaswerte nyo kasi nafe-feel nyo yung paano alagaan ng isang lola. Kaya i-treasure nyo yung mayroong lola. Kasi ako, iyak na yan. Lumaki na ako. Natatandaan ko, elementary ata ako noon. Siyempre, bata pa ako noon, batang isip. Wala na akong lola sa side. Both side, wala nang lola, lolo. Kaya hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy yung may lola at lolo.
Oh, that thing. Oh, look, that thing. Got the thing. What?
That's you.
Oh, that way. Yes, that's me.
Oh, no, you're so cute. Adorable. But now? So, ito na nga. May binigay si Grandma Lo kay husband. Ewan ko kung ano ito. Pero ang sabi ni Grandma is galing pa daw sa asawa niya to. Kaya binigay niya kay husband for charm or lucky ang tawag doon. Kaya, tapos bawal ko daw hawakan. Huh? Bye! Bye! Give my camera! So ito pa nga, every after namin bumisita sa kanya, hindi talaga mawawalan ng bit-bit. Talagang may tugo kami. Talagang binibigyan kami kahit ano, prutas, gulay, karne. Ayan, talagang binibigyan niya kami. So we're done visiting Grandma and Auntie. And now we're going back to our apartment. Okay, see you the next vlog, everyone. That's so sweet, Grandma. So, Grandma choose you too. To give it that to you. Oh, you choose you. Oh yeah, so remember, she said that you are the favorite grandson. So remember that. You're so lucky one have the grandma.
Yeah, I'm so lucky to have grandma. Grandma's the best. Best grandma ever.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, let's go. Best grandma ever.
Yeah. This my lucky Buddha.
You're lucky.
Give me a lucky love.